Hi guys, welcome to your channel InfiniTech. In this video, we are going to take a look at Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Design-wise, the Redmi Note 8 Pro brings affordability without compromising its style. Built with Gorilla Glass and a glossy finish, it exudes a premium feel. The mineral grey is conservative, but if you want something eye-catching, check out the forest green or pearl white. A unique touch, the rear fingerprint scanner sits right below the cameras, lightning fast, but watch out for smudges. Now let's talk about the display. The Redmi Note 8 Pro features a tall 6.5-inch IPS LCD with a 1080p resolution. Also, it's not AMOLED. The display impresses with good contrast and high brightness up to 460 nits manually and the boost to 640 nits in auto mode. It's not just a screen, it's your visual playground. For audio, the loudest speaker delivers a good ratio in loudness tests, though a bit quieter than some competitors. Headphones can be plugged into the 3.5mm jack, and the 64 or 128 gigs of storage are expandable via microSD. With NFC on board, you are still set for mobile payments. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Running on Xiaomi's MIUI 10 over Android 9 Pie, the UI is intuitive, and you have the flexibility to use gestures or navigation keys. Dark mode adds a cool aesthetic, and features like an IR blaster and game turbo mode add versatility to the Redmi Note 8 Pro's arsenal. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 8 Pro boasts the new MediaTek Helio G90T chipset, delivering impressive performance without breaking the bank. With the internal vapor chamber, it stays cool even during intense gaming sessions, a true gaming beast. Powering this device is a massive 4500 mAh battery, combined with the power-efficient chipset, offering a stellar battery life. With a 114-hour endurance rating in some tests, it's one of the best performers in its class. Charging with an 18-watt charger gets you from 0 to 39% in half an hour. Not bad. Now, the camera setup, a standout feature. A 64-megapixel quad-Bayer main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro and deep sensor. Daylight photos from the main camera impress with detail, contrast and vibrant colors. The 64-megapixel mode offers impressive results, but remember, larger file size. Night mode enhances low light shots, providing sharper, more detailed images. However, the ultra-wide camera disappoints in low light. Switching to the selfie game, the 20-megapixel front camera delivers sharp, detailed selfies with excellent HDR. Wrapping it up, the Redmi Note 8 Pro is a feature-packed gem for €250. A stunning glass design, outstanding battery life, class-leading performance, and impressive cameras make it a compelling choice. Sure, there are some compromises, but at this price, it's hard to complain. So if you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly powerhouse that doesn't skimp on features, the Redmi Note 8 Pro is a solid recommendation. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.